Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss some of the MCQs on seed science and technology. So let us begin. Development of embryo without fertilization is, the options are apomixis, amgimixis, parthenocarpy, none. So the answer here is A, that is apomixis. Second question, seed drying is very important to maintain its, first option is protein content, second viability and vigor, oil content, chemical composition. So the answer here is B, that is viability and vigor. Next question, the equipment used to apply chemicals that involves suspension and wettable powder treatment material in water is dash. First option is direct treaters, panogen treaters, slurry treaters, mistomatic treaters. So the answer here is C, that is slurry treaters. Next question. Pusa snowball is a variety of sapota, cauliflower, bear, cabbage. So the answer here is option B, that is cauliflower. Next question. Production of seedless grapes require gibberellins, NAA, ethylene, IAA. The answer here is A, that is gibberellins. Muriate of potash is K2SO4, KCl, KNO3, K2PHO4. The answer here is KCl, potassium chloride. Inflorescence of cauliflower is called catkin, head, curd, none of these. So the answer here is option C, curd. Germination is inhibited by UV light, red light, blue light, IR light. So the answer here is option D, IR light, that is infrared light. Positive photoblastic seeds are dash Nigella, Silene, Nemophilus, Araranatum. So the answer here is option D, Araranatum. Tetrazolium test determine the level of activities of enzyme dash dehydrogenase, ATPase, carboxylase, isomerase. So the answer here is option A, dehydrogenase. Which is a total root parasite? Option A, Orobanche, B, Conophalis, C, Epictagus, and D, all. So the answer here is all. So all of these are the example for total root parasite. Slow drying seed is dash cereals, rapeseed and mustard, grass, pulses. So the answer here is pulses. Dicot endospermic seed is castor, fenugreek, bean, both A and B. Answer here is both A and B, that is castor and fenugreek are dicot endospermic seeds. When the pathogen is loosely mixed with seed in the form of sclerotia, galls, etc., then they are called dash infection, infestation, concomitant contamination, contamination. So the answer here is C. This process is called concomitant contamination. The structure and function of nitrogenase can be seen through NMR, EPR, mass bar spectroscopy, all. So the option here is all. In India, normally how many generation system seeds are produced? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer here is C, that is 3. Maximum moisture content for safe storage in wheat seed is 12%, 15%, 7%, 8%. Answer here is option A, 12%. TZ test color of living tissues of seed changes to which color? Blue, green, red, yellow. And the answer here is C, that is red color. Mode of pollination in maize seed is cross pollination, self pollination, vegetative propagation, none of these. Answer here is option A, cross pollination. The rudimentary root of the seed or seedling that forms the primary root of the young plant is known as rachis, radicle, rachilla, raceme. So the answer here is option B, radicle. The blotter method of seed health testing detects primarily dash bacteria, fungi, virus, nematodes. So the answer here is option B, fungi. A sound seed certification program, it requires dash direct participation of breeder, use of sophisticated equipment, classification of seed, support of law. Answer here is option A, direct participation of breeder. Which sugar is found in germinating seed in large amount? Maltose, sucrose, cellulose, lactose. Answer is maltose. Pure seed fraction in Abelmoschus esculentus is 98, 95, 99, 96. Option here is option C, 99. It is the correct answer. Size of saltation is 0.1 to 0.5 millimeter, less than 0.1 millimeter, more than 0.1 millimeter, 0.55 to 1 millimeter. So the answer is A, that is 0.1 to 0.5 millimeter. Seed coat peroxidase test is used for sorghum, wheat, soybean, groundnut. Answer here is option C, soybean. Fanning mill is dash air screen cleaner, hammer mill, blower, rice mill. Answer here is air screen cleaner. National Nematode Collection of India is located at New Delhi, Dharwad, Anand, Bangalore. Answer is option A, New Delhi. Difference between seed and grain is seed processing, genetic purity, seed quality, and cost. Answer is option B, genetic purity. Mac 12 is a variety of maize, medicago, BT cotton, tomato. Answer is option C, BT cotton. So it's all about today. So let's meet in next video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.